Disassembly steps. Use an Allen wrench to remove fixing screws from the top of the cover. Turn the handle to the left and remove the cover. Press the lowering button to fully lower the forks. Turn off the key, open the battery cover, and disconnect the power supply interface. Remove the negative and positive wires from the motor. Remove the contactor wires. Disconnect the connector. Remove the fixing clamps securing the motor. Use an open-end wrench to remove the oil pipe. Remove the fixing plate. Lift out the hydraulic unit and remove the oil pipe connector. Installation steps. Replace a new one and reassemble. Sequentially install the fixing plate and the harness. Tighten the oil pipe and reconnect the contactor and motor wires. Reinstall the cover.